guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys read the title and thumbnail भी देख लिया होगा. Today we are going to talk about products that I absolutely despise, and one of these particular skincare products really ruined my entire skin, and I want to share this with you guys because I don't want anyone to go through what I did. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and I hope that this helps some of you. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, I'm not gonna make you guys wait because the main intention of this video is to talk about this one particular product that I used for several weeks, जिससे मेरी skin बिल्कुल ख़राब हो गई थी. Like I'm saying, I was breaking out in hives. I can't even tell you guys how bad my skin got, and I think after my teenage years have passed, this is the worst my skin has been, क्योंकि ये तब से ठीक ही नहीं हुई. Like even after I stopped using the product, उस product के after effects इतने ज़्यादा strong थे that it completely deteriorated my skin, and yeah, my skin is still suffering. It's not doing the best. The product I have here for you is the Mario Badescu drying lotion. So this is what it looks like. Little bottle right here. Here you go. So this product right here is extremely famous on YouTube, and मैंने इसको इसीलिए खरीदा था because of the hype that this has. So what this product essentially does is कि ये आपके जो active acne है ना, अगर आपको बहुत active pimples है उसको ड्राई कर देता है. सो इसका बेसिक यूज यही है. सो मैंने इसको अपने बर्थडे के 1 वीक पहले खरीदा था, एंड आई वाज PMSing लाइक क्रेजी दैट टाइम. सो मुझे बहुत ब्रेकआउट्स हो गए थे ना. PMS एंड पीरियड एंड इवन ओव्यूलेशन साइकिल के टाइम पे ब्रेकआउट होना बहुत नॉर्मल है, बट दैट पर्टिकुलर मंथ आई हैड टू डू सो मेनी वीडियोज, एंड ऑफकोर्स मेरा बर्थडे आ रहा था, सो आई वॉन्टेड टू लुक माई बेस्ट, एंड दैट इज वाई आई थॉट आई बाय दिस बिकॉज यू नो एसेंशियली इट विल जस्ट ड्राई आउट ऑल माई पिम्पल्स एंड यू नो गिव मी अ बेटर लुकिंग स्किन स्पेशली फॉर माई बर्थडे. सो दैट इज वाई आई got this. So you can just imagine कि मेरे expectations इस product से कितने ज़्यादा होंगे, because I really thought that you know what, finally I have something that will just help my acne a little bit. By the way, you get 29 milliliters of this product, and this product is for 1600 rupees. Yes, it is that expensive. 1600 is an insane amount of money for a skincare product, and इस product के साथ मुझे Mario Badescu का facial spray with aloe, chamomile and lavender free मिला था. I'm gonna come to this in a while. So I got this within like 2-3 days. I ordered it from Nykaa, and मैंने इसको initially जब 1-2 दिन use किया, I was still breaking out. You know, my forehead, my cheek, my chin, literally कोई area नहीं था जहाँ पे मैं breakout नहीं करी थी. And that time I thought because I'm stressing so much about my birthday week and also I'm PMSing, that is why I'm breaking out. You know, because a lot of things were happening at the same time, so I couldn't pinpoint कि this is the product that's actually causing my skin to break out in hives. The first day I applied it, मैंने देखा मेरे skin के आसपास थोड़े से मुझे breakouts होने लगे. I continued to use this, and on my birthday 14th को we were at the hotel, and that day my skin just looked so bad. I had texture all over my skin. I had such big boils, like literally the worst acne possible, and वो सब hide हो गया था obviously because of my makeup. But at night when I removed my makeup, Aditi was with me and she was horrified. I can't tell you, वो मेरे स्किन को देख के फर्स्ट टाइम शी वॉज लाइक डूड, लाइक इट इज एक्चुअली गेटिंग अ लिटिल आउट ऑफ हैंड, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. तब तक भी मैंने उसको बस यही बोला था कि मुझे लग रहा है ये इतना मैं स्ट्रेस्ड हूँ ना, इसके वजह से ही हो रहा है, मेरे पीरियड्स भी चल रहे हैं. एंड आई रिमेंबर शी वॉज ऑल्सो यूजिंग द Mario Badescu लोशन, दिस वन, एंड शी वॉज ऑल्सो ब्रेकिंग आउट, बट शी कुडंट टेल ईदर कि क्यों हो रहा है ये. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई जस्ट कंटिन्यूड यूजिंग दिस like for weeks. I think I used this for a solid month without realizing that this is the product that is ruining my entire skin, you guys. Like I can't even tell you. I will post pictures here, and please don't leave nasty comments because बहुत मैं vulnerable हो गई ये pictures डाल रही हूँ. Acne is one of my biggest insecurities. I've been dealing with acne since I was like 13-14. Like puberty hit करते ही I was breaking out so much, and I'm freaking 25 years old, and you guys, like these were painful, blood filled, like बिल्कुल पस वाले pimples, and now my skin is in the healing phase because I switched up my entire skincare, stopped using this, I started using other products, but still like you know body को detox करने में time लगता है. I will post pictures and you guys can see how my skin looks right now. यहाँ पे मैं pictures डाल दूंगी. So yeah, my skin is not the best but it is healing right now, and मुझे अभी सबसे ज़्यादा acne इसी area पे है. So yeah, those are just active acne that I have right now. Now this has alcohol in it, and it also has sulfur and salicylic acid, calamine, camphor. So I have this friend Evie, and she is really knowledgeable about skincare and stuff. So I told her, you know, that I was using the Mare Badescu drying lotion and I'm breaking out so much, and immediately she's like, why are you using that? Because so many people have actually spoken about the experience, how this does more bad than it does good. And she told me that the high amount of alcohol is actually proven to make your skin worse. Now I think कि ये मेरी गलती थी कि मैंने properly research नहीं किया, because then when I did a lot more research I saw कि so many people shared their experience saying कि this doesn't work. Not only it doesn't work, but it also does more damage to your skin, like it causes more breakouts, the same thing that I was going through. So I realized that I'm not the only person जिसके साथ ये हो रहा है. I just really at this point want my skin to heal, because not only with acne but overall मेरी skin का texture इतना खराब हो गया है, and just all the glow drained from my face. You know, बीच में मैंने एक दो फोटोज डाली थी Instagram पे without makeup, and you guys were like, are you okay? You don't look well. This might be not everyone's experience. I'm just speaking from my own experience. So yeah, take it with a grain of salt. Ultimately, I can't stop you. अगर आपको इसको try करना है, आप try कर सकते हो. And I just want you guys to be aware of the product and how it worked for me. And honestly, you guys, I'm just waiting for my skin to go back to normal. Like मेरी skin काफी better हो गई थी. So yeah, I just want that to come back to me, and I'm manifesting that, so please manifest it with me. Alright, coming to the Mare Badescu spray. I used this spray along with this a few times, so I'm not sure if this contributed to breaking me out, but I have such trust issues now कि I will not be using this any further. And anyway, I don't think that this spray does anything for your skin or your face. It says that delivers a soothing boost of hydration as antioxidant. Vitamin C combats skin aging, free radicals, leaving the skin balanced and bright. मुझे इसमें से एक भी चीज़ नहीं दिखी अपने skin पे, so I can't really say that this is a good product. For me, it did not do anything, and I cannot recommend this either. Okay, moving on to another skincare product. Now this was recommended to me by a dermatologist, and I thought I'll include this in this video because a lot of time you guys tell me to go see a dermat for my acne. Now the thing is, when you use skincare products, it can only do so much, and when you have aggressive acne like I do, you need to take oral medication. But the thing is, I cannot take any oral medication for my acne because majority medication का side effect depression होता है, and you guys know I already have clinical depression. So when I went to the dermat, obviously she was ready to recommend medication for me, which I'm sure would have worked. But when she got to know about my depression, she said that I cannot recommend you any medication, but I can recommend you some products. Now this is one of the serums that she recommended to me. This is what it looks like. Now this is a Cess Derma Ac Glycolic, I think I'm saying it right, serum. Now मुझे ये दिया था because I told her that I have so many marks and stuff, so I wanted something जिससे वो ठीक हो. This serum retails for 3,000 rupees. I was really shocked to see the price of this, but then I thought dermatologist recommend कर रही है, so मैं ले लेती हूँ. So when I bought this, I obviously had high expectations, but this really didn't do anything for my skin as such. Like this provides a lot of hydration and moisture to your face, but that's all it does. If you have dry skin, you will like it for that purpose. And winters में मुझे ये ठीक लग रहा था because you know winters में skin काफ़ी dry हो जाती है. Besides that, it did not do anything for my acne or my acne scars. My skin before and after literally looked the same, and I did use it for a long while. Like you guys can see, मैं इसको काफ़ी use कर रखा है. That imagine a dermatologist recommended a skincare product for me and it did not work for me like at all. So skincare is really subjective. कुछ चीज़ें कुछ लोगों के लिए बहुत अच्छा काम कर जाती है, कुछ चीज़ें किसी के लिए काम नहीं करती. Same goes for this Mare Badescu thing. Like a lot of people really rave about it. It works for them. It did not work for me. Alright, another product that I want to quickly talk about is this Namya lip serum. This is what it looks like. I got this because my lip area was really pigmented and I wanted कि ना उसका जो upper layer है वो थोड़ा चला जाए. It actually says that it lightens dark lips, repairs and restores damage caused to the lips, brightens and evens out the skin, moisturizes, and 100% natural. So I use this a lot, like a lot. And it did not do anything, like literally zero change. There was no long lasting effect. Like literally ऐसा नहीं है कि इसको मैंने 1-2 हफ्ता लगाया उसके बाद मुझे थोड़ा चेंज दिखा, या फिर my lips lightened a little bit, at least pigmentation थोड़ी remove हो गई. कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. even after I used this, my lips always felt chapped and dry, so I had to go in with another lip balm. So it's not even a good lip product that way कि ये आपके lip को moisturize करेगा या कुछ करेगा. This also has an overpowering weird taste. It's like kind of floral but sweet. Oof. And honestly, the smell of this alone is a turn off for me, so I'm not gonna use this again. Alright, the next two products are makeup products, and the first one is this e.l.f. Putty Primer. This is what it looks like. It's almost like a moisturizer, but it doesn't really moisturize your face that well either. It just made my face very sticky and oily looking, like for real. So it's not even a good moisturizer, and I just don't think it's worth the hype. This one is for around 1100 or 1200 if I'm not wrong. Also it says it's for your pores, but it does nothing for your pores. आपके pores को बिल्कुल भी blur नहीं करता, कुछ नहीं करता. It just really sits on top of your skin like a oily moisturizer. So I personally don't reach out for this at all, and I think I'm just gonna get rid of this now. Coming back to the topic of acne and pimples, so you guys know I really like using pimple patches, especially when I was going through that time जब मुझे बहुत acne हो गया था. So I was really into using pimple patches, and I was willing to try different brands just to see कि कौन सा मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा effect देता है. So I came across this brand called Priveda, and they have these acne patches. Now you guys can see I've not even used all of them because this does nothing. So I've actually used some mild pimple patches that don't really do a lot, but they will still suck out all that gunk from your acne, and you know, at least deflate it a little, and inflammation थोड़ी कम हो जाती है. This was just sitting on my face like a useless guest, doing nothing, like literally nothing. It just made my painful pimples even more painful because it was just so tight on my acne, which was really upsetting because I was like, can you do at least something? I was so frustrated. I was like, why is nothing working on me? Like, and you guys can tell actually I've given it a fair chance. मैंने almost half use किया, and उसके बाद the other half I was just like, what's the point? I'm just sticking it on my face when it's doing absolutely nothing. I have other brands that I really like, so I will soon do a favorites video, and उसमें मैं ये सारे products include करूँगी that I've been really enjoying of late because बहुत time हो गया उस video को भी किए हुए. But yeah, this is something absolutely useless. Will not recommend to any of you. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this, and please remember that all of the opinions that I shared are based off of my own experience. You might not feel the same, and you might like some products, but I have had not so good experiences with this, so that is all I'm sharing. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you guys want to watch more such videos. Anti-haul देखना है. I'm definitely gonna do a favorites video very soon, and please don't forget to manifest good healthy skin for me. I know you guys can do it, so yeah, let's get that done. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.